Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by this one and ds. Next, we have s, y, s, y. They are degree number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. So I will put this one going here and here. This one we change by this one. So we have s, s, and s. So we simplify by s. Next, we need to open parentheses. Next, I will put negative v go to the left. So this one we do common denominator. So v multiplied by number 1 and v. V minus v we cancel. And this one we can put v square in here. Next, I will put this one go to the right, ds and s go to the left. Next, I will put the negative go to the left. Now we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to separate them in here. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have arctan of v. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus v square. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.